my major key levels or zones. On the weekly, I will be determining the key levels. On the daily, I will be looking for the most immediate trend. On the 4-hourly chart, oh sorry, my phone was calling. On the 4-hourly chart, I will be looking for the entries. Yes, let us start our top down analysis. Okay, first of all, let us zoom in and see the overall flow of the river. As we can see, people, the gbpusd was collapsing since back in days. As you can see, this is sideways collapse, and then we had this sideways, and then we had this collapse, but we failed it continue. We came back, we came test these levels. Okay, let us determine the most obvious turning points. Let us plot the most obvious turning points. This one is the most obvious turning points. I think this one, I'm using this shit. Most obvious turning points. Yeah. Yes, the most obvious turning points. The most obvious turning points. As you can see, the first one, I've already plotted it. Yes, make sure it has many touches. Yes, the most obvious turning point. First one. Let us clone this, then try to find another one. The another one is this one. Yes, this one. And the other one. Let us try to clone again. Clone. Try to clone. Reduce the size. Yes. To here. The most obvious turning points. The most obvious turning points are these ones. Clone again, clone. Yeah, this one. The most another turning point is this one. Okay, on monthly, I am done. Let us try to determine this, the lower one. Clone. Let's move here. Yes. Yes, this. Check back history. As you can see, we have already determined the major zones. Okay, let us move to the weekly so that we may plot them clearly, that we may reduce them if they have been too big. As you can see, our key levels. As you can see, when the market came here, it reacted, and here it also reacted. You can see these levels, they play. As you can see, the market was struggling in this zone. Then after break, we saw it. Then it came here, it faced some problem. Due to this, it collapsed again. Then it came here, then it collapsed. The overall flow of the river is downward, but for now, we are heading upward. We are heading upward at the moment. So on the weekly time frame, let us try to determine. Let us try to determine to determine. Suggest ni America. Let us try to determine the key levels. What do I mean when I say key levels? Let us try to find some patterns like head and shoulder, double bottom, double top. With your naked eyes, I think you can see a double top over here. This was a double top. It caused the collapse of this gbpusd. This is the double top. This also, this is a double top at the key level. And also here we saw we had all this impulse move, and then we had these pullbacks, and then we had the comeback. But when the market came back, it failed to close above the previous high. It formed equal highs, and there is that rule of price action state that when we form equal highs, I mean that is the double top. And if the double top is formed, we must come and test the neckline. The neckline, this one, you can see it. This is the neckline. And this, let me try to draw well this double top. The double top. Yeah, this one. This one is the double top. That's the double top. The double top. The double top. Yeah. This is what I said is a double top. Since the price, you see the price closed here, it failed to breach. It came again. It came, it tested here. It failed to breach, man. It collapsed. And then for now it came to test it, and then it failed to break above. And then it formed equal highs, and then we had a neckline over here. So my perspective, this is looking something like a double top. I think it's a double top. Nothing can stop us from saying this is the double top. So, as we have formed the double top, we shall be heading toward the neckline. We must come and test the neckline. And then if we break the neckline, we shall be coming here, because what we are looking here, we are looking for space and direction. We are looking for space and direction. So our market will be heading here, since because of what we had formed this, what the double top. I think we have already confirmed this. When I saw this bearish candle, massive one, this is the weekly chart, I said we are done. We are going to collapse toward this 1.30418. This will be our next level target. But our first target will be here at this level, at this major zone here. First level will be here. So my first level target will be around this zone here. Let me clear this shit. Let us move to the daily and see the waves, how the market was forming ups and downs. So if we remove this level, this major zone, this is a massive one, double top. Our first level target will be here. We shall be heading, I'll be shorting this market from here to here. This is my first level target. Then my second target would be this, will be at the neck. So as you can hear from Tarimo's radio, gbpusd is going to collapse toward the 1.3343. We'll be heading soon. We'll be heading here Since because of what we have formed a double top, and a double top on higher time frame, usual play, usual react, man. Don't play with this shit. Don't try to start buying at this area, man. You'll be entering into troubles. Since why? Because we formed the double top. Remember, this is the daily. Don't play with this shit, man. Don't try to buy. See, some traders are trying to buy nothing. Was a gbpusd. We are heading lower. Let's go to the fall and try to see. Let us try to plot our counter trend line.